Hello, everybody. It's Allie, and of course it's Thursday, so it's time for the tea. Served you nice and fresh and hot. This week we're going to talk about something that we, again, as I've been kind of throwing in there later in my videos last few weeks, I have a new email that comes out on Saturday mornings called Dear Allie, where you can write in questions. You can email me, dearallie@bodycandy.com. You can ask me anything, and sometimes you might see your question responded to in the email. I'm also doing my best to go back through and respond to people's messages, even if they're not being responded about in the email. But a question that's come up for us a few times this week has been about lobe issues, like split lobes, wearing too heavy earrings, being done with your stretched lobes, all that kind of stuff. So that's our topic for today. We're going to talk about what you can do with that. Make sure you follow us on all of our social media. We are on Instagram, Twitter, TikTok at BodyCandy. We are bodycandy.com on Snapchat, Pinterest.com/bodycandy, Facebook.com/bodycandy body jewelry, YouTube.com/bodycandy body jewelry. We're everywhere. Find us. Come say hello. So yeah, let's get right down to business. So we had a few people write in and say, hey, I have always worn really heavy earrings. My lobes split. Also people emailing about blowouts, which are when you potentially rip your earlobe from stretching incorrectly or too quickly. So the answer is you can totally, it's considered a plastic surgery. There is surgery that you can have to repair that. It can be done under local anesthesia. It takes anywhere from 15 minutes to an hour, so not too long. And the pain scale afterwards is supposed to be very minimal to nothing. Most of the things that I read said there is like no pain, and a few things said even if you have like a little bit, it's like Tylenol, over the counter, Advil, whatever you normally take. But most people said that wasn't even required. And what they do is they pretty much like cut either like a V or a Z. They do what they got to do to repair your issue and sew you back up into a normal lobe shape. Sutures come out after like a week. So again, all very minimal. And it sounds like just not that bad of a procedure. You can potentially also get re-pierced after. Of course, that's going to depend. I'm not a medically trained professional in any way. I'm not a medically trained human. I'm not a piercer. That's what I was going to say. So of course, all this stuff is things you should be talking to a professional about. This is just so you get the idea or the feel of what to expect, and just so you even know that it's something that you can do. So I hope that answers that question for a lot of people. If there's any other questions you have about this, please make sure you email me, dearallie@bodycandy.com. And of course, thanks for joining me for the tea. I will see everybody for Facebook/Instagram Live tomorrow, starting at 1 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. I hope everybody has had an awesome week, and I'll see you then.